everyone, welcome back to our channel. New Year is around the corner, a season of love and wonder. And nasahair, we are excitedly to preparing for the big order in this holiday season. And we are very happy to deliver an order today to dear customer, 20 kg of hair for New Year. And the customer have trust me to import product many times, and today for during this holiday season they order 20 kg to serve their customer. All hair products are graded according to quality, length and size. The process must be ensured that there's no room for error. And at nasahair, we inspect each strand of hair to ensure the elasticity, softness and naturalness of the product. This process is a key factor in ensuring the highest quality. After being carefully checked and classified, our team carefully packed and add meaningful wishes to send the New Year's spirit list to customer. Finally, the order will deliver safely to the customer. Your satisfaction in our greatest motivation this New Year season. Thank you for accompanying nasahair. We wish you and your family a peaceful and joyful New Year. If you see this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe for our YouTube channel. Goodbye.